Want to learn how to adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word? Just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open your Word, and here you'll see that I have a border and some words on my page. Now to adjust the margins, just press the layout which is located at the top panel on your screen. Under layout, you'll see margins. So here I just press the arrow button for you to completely see all the information and settings regarding margin. For you to easily visualize what will happen if you adjust the margins, here is a preview of what the document will look like. So as you can see here, as I adjust the top margin, the words on the preview will also move accordingly. You'll see here that as I increase the margin on the left part of the document, the words will move more to the right, which will give bigger space on the left part of the document or the word. You'll also have the option to apply the changes on the margin only on the page where you currently are or to the whole document. Now, while the margin of the words adjusted, the border did not. So what you want to do is go to Design, press Page Border, and then click Options. Here you'll see the settings about Measure From, so change this to text. And you'll see that the margin of the border will follow the margin of the text on your document. You can also manually adjust the margin of the border, so you can increase the top margin, left margin, and so on, and you'll also have a preview to see what the document would look like. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.